Mark Ainley, GC Realty Development. Here to talk to you today about the question of, should I manage myself? Now, in the process of hiring a property manager, another option is always, should I just handle this myself? Or maybe you've been handling your own properties yourself for recent years. But I want to kind of go over the couple points with you on why you should potentially hire a property manager. Number one, risk. Risk is taken on 100% by you as the owner if you're not working with a property manager. When you hire a property manager, you're passing a large part of that risk. If something goes wrong with the property manager, if something goes wrong with the property, there's another layer of protection for you in that risk area. As an inexperienced property manager, you might make a bad decision that puts you or your insurance policy or your family in jeopardy. Time. You might have one property, you might say it only takes me a few hours, but on an annual basis for one property, it's going to take a particular owner anywhere between 15 and 25 hours on an annual basis, counting, collecting rent, depositing rent, paying bills, handling a turnover, discussing renewal, and that's if you have no maintenance. So time is we only have so much of it, so you're taking a large chunk out of your year. Think about 25 hours is basically a part-time hours for somebody. So you're working that on an annual basis, you're losing that. Convenience. You just don't have to deal with it. You don't have to get a call at 2 in the morning for the furnace not working. The furnaces never go out in the middle of the afternoon. They go out in the middle of the night. The toilet never backs up when you're on the property. It's the next day after you've left. Having a property management company that can handle those calls 24/7 basically leaves you to make some decisions in the morning sometimes when you get the phone call, something went wrong. Peace of mind. Quality of life is what comes to thought when I think of peace of mind. Quality of life is just knowing things around you are in control and being handled. And if you could wake up every morning, hang out with your family, go on trips, and not have to worry about the investment property, you're going to have a large amount of peace of mind. These 4 items are some of the reasons to consider when you are asking the question, should I manage the property by myself? Mark Ainley, GC Realty Development.